a game called Forward Reverse.
Do it.
Now, in this game, it's going to be almost a straight scene again, except I can call Forward Reverse at any time I want the scene. When I call forward or reverse, they will either continue going forward or reverse their present actions, and, well, they'll say the words, not in reverse, but they'll say it. Anyway, it might be easier for you to see it. So, can we get a suggestion of you? What's your favorite genre of music?
Alternative.
Alternative? That's really specific.
Okay, let's say pop.
Gangster rap. Players, your suggestion is gangster. Okay? Can we see a game of forward reverse? Players, are you ready?
Huh?
Yes. Please begin.
Hey G.
Reverse!
Hey G.
Forward!
Hey G.
Reverse!
Hey G.
Forward!
Hey G. How you doing?
Hey, glad you came to a meeting spot for our gang.
Yeah. Blue band shirt, best gang in the South.
Best
Reverse!
Best gang in the South. Blue band shirts.
Glad you came to a meeting spot for our gang.
How you doing?
Forward!
Hey G. How you doing?
Hey, glad you came to our meeting spot for our gang.
Yeah. Blue band shirts, best gang in the South.
Yeah, we don't really kill people, we just wear band shirts.
Yeah.
Oh, hey guys, have you guys heard the new Donald Glover album? It's actually really good. Oh, hey guys.
Forward!
Oh, hey guys, have you heard the new Donald Glover album? It's actually pretty good.
I think you mean Childish Gambino.
Okay, well, I remember him from Community, so I was a fan before.
Oh, Glenn.
What?
Just because you wear blue band shirts doesn't mean you're part of the blue band shirt team.
Reverse!
Just because you wear a blue band shirt doesn't mean you're part of the blue band shirt gang.
Forward!
Just because you're part of the blue band shirt doesn't mean you're part of the blue band shirt gang.
Reverse!
Doesn't mean you're part of the gang.
Forward!
Well, I'm sorry, but I don't really think you guys are a gang. You're just more like two white kids that are being weird.
We know,
PFC race.
we know who Childish Gambino is.
Okay, well,
We are progressive.
And he is not gangsta. Get some schoolboy Q up in here and talk to us later.
Reverse!
Schoolboy Q and talk to us later.
Forward!
Schoolboy Q and talk to us later. Yeah.
Okay, well, I don't.
You.
What do you guys?
Reverse!
What's all? What do you guys? I just.
Forward!
What are you guys doing with your arms and stuff? I don't.
Well, you know, it's
I don't
how
understand.
it's our gang handshake. It's
Yeah.
really elaborate.
Yeah.
And it doesn't involve any hands.
Okay,
It's all
well,
body
could
movements.
you show me?
Yeah.
Glenn!
Sorry.
Hey, if he wants to learn, he wants to learn. We're gonna give him what to learn. Okay, so
Are you from Brooklyn?
I'm from the south.
Okay, let's
side.
do a handshake.
I'm from the south side, bro.
Are you from
Forward!
south side.
All right, let's do the handshake.
All right, so first I take your hand and spin you around.
Okay.
Reverse! Forward! Reverse! Forward!
Okay.
Okay, spin you around. Back.
Okay.
Yeah.
That seems a little
And
high.
then you're gonna do the tango.
Okay, well, do we okay?
Like the tango.
Reverse! Forward! Reverse! Forward one more.
Okay,
and then we go. And
Okay.
then I throw you on the ground.
Okay. This doesn't
Just
seem
like
very gay.
And now we start beating
Okay.
you up.
Hey,
This wasn't a handshake, it was an initiation.
Okay, wait. I'm really upset.
Yeah.
Stay down.
Okay.
Yeah, stage fighting.
Reverse!
How?
Yeah, stage fighting.
Forward!
Yeah, stage fighting.
Yeah.
I don't get it. I don't
Stage
understand.
care.
You wouldn't get it.
Blue band shirt has been upheld.
Let's go.
Okay, well.